Hey guys, welcome back to Stock Tech. Today in this video, we will be talking something about midterm investing. We will be showing you a portfolio which we have been holding for last 6 to 8 months. There are a lot of stocks in this portfolio and it's giving us very gigantic returns, right? So as you know, we prefer more of trading than of investing. We trade into intraday, BTST and midterm. We do not prefer the long-term trading, right? But we trade in the zone strategy, and the zones, when the stock comes down to our demand zones, we buy the stock and hold them, and sometimes these zones give you returns that are unimaginable. Once the stock starts moving up, we keep trailing and following the stock, right? So today this is what I'll be showing you. Let us go to the Kites app, and here in the Kites app, that is the zero trading platform, right? I will be going to the console. So once I click on console, you have this report over here which shows me the holdings, right? Which shows me the holdings, and you can see today's date. So on 13th February, up to 13th February, whatever we are holding, all the segments have been selected over here. But as you can see, majority of my funds are invested only into the equity market. In fact, all the funds, 100% of the portfolio is invested into the equity segment itself, right? So the entire portfolio is invested into equity segment, no investment in futures, options or any other segment. Now if I want to show you sector wise, okay, so in the equity segment we have invested 41% of the portfolio in industrial, 24.7% into communication, 22.11% into healthcare, 7.19% into materials and 4.35 into the utilities, right? So you can see under the equity segment, these are the sectors in which we have diversified our portfolio and invested. Now if I show you stock companies wise, we have taken majority of the investment into the large cap companies. 64% of the money is invested into the large cap companies. Yes, that is how you should be investing. Majority of your money should go into the blue chip companies. Blue chip companies are those companies whose market capital is about 30,000 crores. Okay, now you can see 18.37% is also invested into mid cap and 7.63% is invested into the small cap. Now if I try to show you stock wise, so here stock wise we have invested 24.7% into Naukri. Okay, so 24.7% of the portfolio is invested in Naukri, 17.73 in Divis Lab, 12.05 in Indigo, 5.16 in Havels, 4.35 in IGL, into IRCTC 11%, Ramco Cements around 6.5, BEML 7.97%, Kajaria 4.6, Star 4.38 and small amounts invested into JSL, that is just 0.35% of the portfolio, and Sunflag 0.33% of the portfolio, right? So this is the amount that has been invested into various stocks. So in the every stock has most of the stocks are the good companies over here. So under the equity segment, we have diversified the portfolio into industrial, communication, healthcare, materials and utilities, under which we have invested majority of the money into the large cap, a small amount of it into the mid cap and also into small cap, right? And we have also seen company wise how we have invested in this particular stocks, right? Now let us scroll down to the profits that we are making. So here in this case you can see that we are making a 72.55% overall gains in this particular portfolio. Now the realized amount, that is the profit and loss in terms of amount, is hidden. We have covered so that we don't want to display it. The investment amount and the current value is also not being displayed. Only thing that we have displayed over here is the percentage gain, and the percentage gains, as you can see, is 72.55%. That's a huge returns over a period of 6 to 8 months. That's an average returns of approximately 10% per month. This is the power of stock market, guys. This is the gigantic gains that you can make. If you want to learn this, if you want to follow us, you can join our free WhatsApp group called 7829295555 or visit www.stocktech.in. This video is for educational and study purpose only. We do not assure, guarantee or promise any returns from the strategy in the video, and we are also not responsible for any profit or loss that you make. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thank you.